English action verbs.
Club, to strike with a club or join a social organization. Club, to strike with a club or join a social organization. Clutch, to grasp tightly or seize suddenly. Clutch, to grasp tightly or seize suddenly. Coach, to train or instruct. Coach, to train or instruct. Coagulate, to thicken or clot. Coagulate, to thicken or clot. Coax, to persuade or gently urge. Coax, to persuade or gently urge. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Code, to assign a code or encrypt. Code, to assign a code or encrypt. Coexist, to exist together peacefully. Coexist, to exist together peacefully. Coil, to wind or twist into a spiral. Coil, to wind or twist into a spiral. Coin, to invent or create a new word or phrase. Coin, to invent or create a new word or phrase. Collapse, to fall down or give way suddenly. Collapse, to fall down or give way suddenly. Collate, to arrange in order or sequence. Collate, to arrange in order or sequence. Collect, to gather or assemble. Collect, to gather or assemble. Collide, to crash or come into contact forcefully. Collide, to crash or come into contact forcefully. Color, to add color to or effect with color. Color, to add color to or effect with color. Comb, to untangle or groom with a comb. Comb, to untangle or groom with a comb. Combat, to fight or oppose vigorously. Combat, to fight or oppose vigorously. Combine, to merge or join together. Combine, to merge or join together. Come, to move toward or arrive at a place. Come, to move toward or arrive at a place. Command, to order or direct with authority. Command, to order or direct with authority. Commend, to praise or express approval. Commend, to praise or express approval. Comment, to remark or express an opinion. Comment, to remark or express an opinion. Commit, to pledge or devote to a cause. Commit, to pledge or devote to a cause. Communicate, to convey or exchange information. Communicate, to convey or exchange information. Compare, to examine for similarities and differences. Compare, to examine for similarities and differences. Compartmentalize, to divide into sections or categories. Compartmentalize, to divide into sections or categories. Compass, to surround or encircle. Compass, to surround or encircle. Compensate, to make up for or reimburse. Compensate, to make up for or reimburse. Compete, to strive or contend against others. Compete, to strive or contend against others. Compile, to gather or collect into a single source. Compile, to gather or collect into a single source. Complain, to express dissatisfaction or annoyance. Complain, to express dissatisfaction or annoyance.